Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I am going to provide you coupon code for Ali Dropship platform. So as you can know, Ali Dropship provide different products like custom stores, Ali Dropship plugin, Ali Dropship plugin hosting add-ons. There are plenty of services or products which you can use. So the motive of today's video is to provide a coupon code for this premium premium store, and I have already provided a coupon codes for custom stores, so you can watch out those video. I will provide that link in my description box, and you can also visit my channel, so you will get that video. Okay, so the main motive of today's video is to provide a coupon code for premium store. So before going towards our video, I wanted to add one thing like some people are complaining some coupon code is not working on, and some people and most of the people and for most of the people coupon codes are working. The main reason behind this is, guys, you have to follow all those steps which I am going to show you in this video strictly. So if you follow all those steps, then 101% guys, all the coupon codes which I am going to provide you in this video, that will work fine for you. So to grab that high discount, please follow all these steps which I am going to show you in this video. Okay guys, so without wasting much time, let's move towards our video. So guys, the first and important step is, guys, you have to come to this page by clicking a link which I have provided in my description box. So if you click on that link, then you will get 10% extra discount, and also the coupon code which I am going to provide you, that will work fine for you. And if you will not come from that link, then the coupon code I am going to provide you, that will not work, and we will also not get extra discounts also. So for important and first step is, basically you have to click on the link which I have put it in my description box, and I will also comment out that link, pin that link in my comment section. So when you will come to this page, then after that you have to simply click on this one, get premium store. And after that you have to simply click on this, choose your store. And as you can see here, there are different stores available, so according to your need you can select anyone. So for now I am going to select this one. So as you can see here, the description of this store has been given here, so as you can check and you can read it, and according to your need you have to select this thing. Okay, so because the main motive of this video is to provide you a coupon code, so that's why I'm not going to much deep into this one. Okay, so now you have to simply click on this buy now, and after that you can select any additional plan like installation package, marketing package, shall be a monthly plan according to your need if you need it. Otherwise it will not, if you don't want to add, then don't need to worry. Okay, you can simply make it default selections. So now you have to simply click on this redeem here, you are able to see this have a coupon option, and beside of this you can see redeem it here. So you have to simply click on this, and the coupon code is to like as you can see here, the total price is now $300. So we will not buy this product on this amount, but we will reduce this amount by using discountable coupon codes. So the coupon code for this one is get store 15. So guys, GETSTORE 15. So after typing this, you have to simply click on this one apply button, and let's see how much amount we have reduced. Okay, so the total price is currently is $300. So let's check. Okay guys, so as you can see here, now your total price has will become like $255. Guys, like you have saved almost to $45, which is quite great. And this is one coupon code, and this is basically highest discount providing coupon code in the market. So you don't need to worry, you can simply apply it, and you can simply complete your order, because there are no any other coupon codes which will provide you a high discount instead greater than this one. So this is a valid and accepted and high discountable coupon code available in the market. So let's say if in any case this coupon code is not working, then you have to simply uh, use another coupon code with the same discounted amount. So the another coupon code is PREMIEM 4803. So the other coupon code is premium 4803. So you have to simply click on this one. So now as you can see, it is also providing the same discount like $45, and now your total price is $255 you have to pay. So guys, and if also that coupon codes are not working in the future, will not work in the future, then you can simply comment out. I will provide you another coupon code with the same discount or greater discount. So if that coupon code is not working, so okay, so after that you have to simply click on this URL, and if you want to add any optional comments you can add, and here you have to simply put your card number, card holder name, and month and year of your card, and after that you have to provide your CVC, and simply you have to click on this button complete order. So and after that, if your order has been successfully completed, then you will receive an mail, I mean confirmation email on your email ID. So like the main motive of this video is to provide you coupon codes for this premium store. So I'm not going to purchase these things. Okay, so you can see, I think this video will help you. And also in my channel I have provided different those coupon codes for different platforms, so you can visit my channel and you can see if anything benefited to you, like if you want to, if purchase anything from any platform, you can see like I have provided coupon codes for different platforms. So if once you can visit my channel also. Okay guys, so I hope, and most important thing is guys, the you have to click on the description link which I have provided in my description box, and when you will click, then you will get 10% extra discounts, and then also this coupon code will work fine. So if you don't come from that link, then this coupon code will not work, and then you will complain that like coupon code is not working. But please believe me guys, if you come from that coupon code, sorry, that links, then this coupon code will work fine. So I hope guys, that is enough for today's video. So let's meet in another video guys. So for now, bye and take care.